This video guide is about getting rid of the online scam associated with the website Orange-center-wn2.click, or the similar pop-up is Orange-center-wn1.click. You may now clearly see that the content of these pop-ups may be slightly different. In one case it's in English and in the other case it's in French. But the content is basically the same. The pop-up displays pretty scary alerts that try to force people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. The point is that initially it looks like the software advertised through these pop-ups is decent, but when you click on the Subscribe Now button, you will be forwarded to another totally different websites that promotes a totally different software. So there is obviously something really misleading here, and you should not interact with these deceitful messages that try to trick you into downloading and paying for some potentially unwanted software. By the way, the occurrence of these pop-ups in your browser may be explained by the presence of some adware-type threats in your system. First thing you could do is to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall those programs that are not familiar to you. So if you find anything suspicious here on the list, get rid of it. Also, I would strongly recommend you to check the system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.